way we brush our teeth so early Wednesday morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early Thursday morning. This is the way we put on our shoes, put on our shoes, put on our shoes. This is the way we put on our shoes so early Friday morning. This is the way we eat our food, eat our food, eat our food. This is the way we eat our food so early Saturday morning. This is the way we read a book, read a book, read a book. This is the way we read a book so early Sunday morning.
Good job.